Everyone, how you doing this morning? It's Marla. Drink your tea. Hopefully everybody is wide awake, has a lot of caffeine, and is ready to go for the day. If you are not familiar with Sips by now, I'll give you a quick rundown. Sips by is a monthly tea discovery box. What does that mean? It means that Sips by will send to your door a customized, personalized tea box for $15 per month with free shipping in the United States. Sips by works with over 150 global tea brands, so they're bringing you teas from all over the world, teas that are really unique and different, and teas that you're going to love because you will fill out a personalized quiz before they start sending you your boxes, and that way it lets Sips by know what your tea likes and dislikes are. And that is what I'm unboxing today. So instead of me talking, what I'll do is I'll take you to the box, we will unbox it together, and then I'll pick one of the teas to steep on the channel. So let's get going. All of Sips by's boxes come to you packaged in this nice compact cardboard box that says Sips by on it. And when you open it up, there's always an informational card inside that lets you know what type of box you're receiving. This is my monthly subscription box, and this is December's box. So if you flip the card over on the back, it tells you all the teas that you're going to see in your box. It looks like I have some chai rooibos tea from Yogi Teas. It tells you how to steep the tea, it tells you the caffeine level, and it also tells you the ingredients. I have some organic mango moringa tea that is from Miracle Tree, and that is also a caffeine-free choice. They also include some discount codes, so if you really like the tea, you can purchase it yourself at a discount. I have some apple refresh black tea from Ahmad Tea. I've gotten a lot of teas from Ahmad Tea. Really like that company. That is a high caffeine tea that has black tea in it, and also it's flavored with apple. And I have some organic Assam black tea, and that is another high caffeine tea that has organic black tea in it from India. So let's take a look inside the box. I must have some loose tea in here because Sips by sent me some reusable muslin cloth tea bags to steep the tea in. I really love getting these tea bags because even I use them a lot of times to put loose tea in, and they're very helpful to include, especially if you're going to give this as a gift box and you're not sure whether or not the person you're giving it to has something to steep the tea in. Okay, the first tea I see in here, and that is a chai rooibos tea from Yogi Teas. That has organic rooibos leaf in it, organic cardamom pod, organic cinnamon bark, organic ginger root, organic clove bud, and some organic stevia leaf. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. Next, I have some organic mango moringa tea, and that has some natural mango flavor in it. That is my caffeine-free tea. It also includes apple refresh tea from Ahmad Tea. That is a black tea with some apple flavoring. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. And it contains, finally, my organic Assam black tea, and that is another high caffeine tea. Okay, I want some caffeine this morning, so I think I'm going to steep my Apple Refresh Ahmad tea. Let's get started. Okay guys, last box for the year 2020. This is my December subscription box from Sips by. I hope you enjoyed seeing all these tea boxes that I've shown you for the year 2020. Take care guys. I'll leave all the information for Sips by down in my description box. Have a happy holiday. Bye bye from Marla.